My name is Kurt Jensen, and I'm a certified technical expert at Hank Greff Chevrolet in Davison. The video you're about to view should give you a thorough explanation of how things work. I personally viewed it myself and found it to be very informative. Enjoy!
Forward Collision Alert is included in the safety package available on LT models of Colorado. The system uses a windshield-mounted camera. The camera area of the windshield must be clean for proper system operation. The feature becomes functional at speeds above approximately 25 miles per hour and is designed to alert the driver when the truck is approaching too close to the vehicle in front of it. The system's goal is to provide the driver a warning, giving them time to react and possibly avoid a collision. The system is functional whenever the vehicle is turned on, unless the function is intentionally turned off. An indicator in the instrument cluster turns green when it detects a vehicle in front. This lets the driver know the system is functional and tracking a vehicle. The light turns amber to indicate the Colorado is traveling too close to the vehicle in front. In addition, a group of 6 LEDs will flash at the base of the windshield in conjunction with 8 rapid high-pitched beeps. These multiple warnings of an imminent collision are designed to alert the driver and give them the chance to stop quickly. Also, the driver can control the distance sensitivity of the system using the button on the left side of the steering wheel to adjust to near, medium, or far detection. The same button can also be used to turn the system off. This information is displayed in the DIC.
I hope that video presentation has you confident on how to operate your personal car technology. If you have any questions, please contact me by phone, email, or at my website, www.graphguru.com. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.